Okay, we're playing the Firecracker game, new version. We got the zone boost, 10 cent denom, 880 bet. Let's do this. All right, each zone has its own multiplier, so let's fill it up. Looking for that red zone and blue zone on the right. Those are 5 times. Oh, mini's $100. Fantastic. All right, let's fill up that blue zone, close. Get that multiplier. Gotta fill up the zone before you get the multiplier. Come on, let's do this. There you go. All right. One more on that lower right blue. Yes. Oh, phenomenal. 5 times. Huge. That's what we're looking for. Come on, land one. Keep us going. All right, we got that 5 times multiplier, which is big. Oh, yes. $505 on an 880 bet. Great bonus. Hey, if you're following us on Facebook, do us a favor and like and subscribe.